there was an accident that I had, and I thought it was, you know, in my estimation, it was a horrible accident whereby I was run into a telephone pole by a semi-tractor trailer, and there was some serious damage done to my body. I consulted an attorney, and the attorney that I consulted really did not do the job. So with that in mind, and having gone through a process of about 6 months, and then finding that nothing was really done on my behalf for it to proceed forward, I decided to move forward with another attorney. So I did. I moved forward with a second attorney, but it was not Chuck at that time. So the second attorney that I used, you know, I thought he was reputable. In fact, he was reputable, and I thought he was pretty sharp. But it turned out that he was kind of lagging behind as well. And obviously we were not getting any results. So in a conversation with that second attorney, I simply asked him, is there someone else that you can work with as a second attorney that you can bring in to assist you, because he was going solo. And he took my advice under consideration, and next thing I knew, I got a call from him, and he told me that Boyk law firm would be taking over my case, that he would be in the background, and that the Boyk law firm would take the lead. So having had the opportunity to have a consultation with Mr. Boyk, I really felt comfortable, because one thing that he did that the other attorneys didn't do is that he wanted to really understand me as a person and what my needs were outside of the context of the accident. And that was important to me because I'm a kidney transplant recipient. And he, having found that out, and then understanding what my physical conditions and limitations were, that felt important to me, because he understood that I was not only going through, you know, emotional pain and drama, but physical pain and drama as well. But his professionalism and expertise helped to settle me down, and he did an excellent job. It took a number of years for that settlement to take place, but today I feel that had he not taken that case over, because there was a bankruptcy involved with the insurance company that was involved in on my case, I would have not received anything. There would have not been any compensation at all for the serious injuries that were sustained as a result of that accident. So I thank him very much to this day for that. 7 years to the date of the first accident, I was on my way home from work, and in my vehicle there, I was at a stoplight, and there was a vehicle that was speeding that rammed right into the back of me. And we don't understand, you know, what this individual that we found out, it was a guy that was in a van. We don't understand if he was under the influence or what have you. I mean, that's, I guess, neither here nor there. That was for the law to handle. But what I do remember is that, you know, I had a broken nose, I had a concussion, and I had a fracture on part of my ribs that was really sore, and it was excruciating, and it brought back memories of that first accident to some extent. But I was, you know, extremely happy that it was such to where it was not life-threatening. The transplanted kidney was still intact, and all of the other major parts of my organs and bodies of the body was intact. So I was thankful for that. While in the hospital, the first person that came to mind was Chuck Boyk. Chuck Boyk was, I mean, without questioning. I knew that he was going to be the person that was going to be handling my case. Not so much as it related to the monetary factor or portion of what may be compensated for me as a result of the accident, but more so, I understood that he was going to understand me and my health concerns and my position, and he was going to put me at ease as he did the first time. recognizing all of that, you know, to be the case when I was in the hospital, I did not even worry about the case at all because I knew that I was going to be in good hands. It was just a matter of me being well enough to get on that phone and dial those digits and get Chuck on the phone. And once I knew that I would get him on the phone, then I was home free as far as that part was concerned. And he did a great job, and the case was resolved like that. The entire team of his staff and the entire organization here, they were all professional. They were fantastic. They do a great job here. And I gotta give them props. They're excellent at what they do. And they make you, as I mentioned earlier, they make you feel comfortable in the process of what they do, and there's nothing like that. So I love these guys here. I really do.